Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device. Make sure it's charged and on Wi-Fi so downloads don't interrupt. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in settings right arrow about. This lets you change setup behavior. Once done, open developer options and enable USB debugging if you plan to use ADB. Make sure to back up important data or enable factory reset protection before altering setup flows. This prevents accidental data loss. You'll now remove the setup app from the active user. Connect via ADB and run a package list to find setup packages such as COM, Google, Android, Setup Wizard. Once identified, use a DB shell PM disable user 0 package to stop the app for the primary user. Alternatively, a DB shell PM uninstall user 0 package removes it without root. Make sure to reboot after changing package state to confirm the setup flow is bypassed. If you need the app later, you can re-enable or reinstall it. You're almost done. Reboot the device and confirm the setup wizard doesn't run. Test by creating a new user or performing a quick factory reset if appropriate. If the system behaves oddly, re-enable the package with a DB shell PM enable package to revert changes, then reboot. If disabling caused deeper issues, boot into safe mode to isolate problems or restore the factory image from your OEM tools. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a copy of the original package list so you can restore exact states if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.